Students, welcome you all on our online lecture series on fluid mechanics and machinery. In this lecture, we are going to discuss numerical on basic of fluid mechanics. लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने कुछ फॉर्मूलेज देखे थे, कुछ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स देखे थे, जिसमें फर्स्ट वन इज अ मास डेंसिटी, देन स्पेसिफिक वेट और वेट डेंसिटी, आफ्टर दैट specific volume, specific gravity and relative density and their formulas. तो ये आज के जो न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं, ये न्यूमेरिकल्स उन सब कॉन्सेप्ट पे रहेंगे. तो इसलिए न्यूमेरिकल स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम जो बेसिक फार्मूलाज है वो हम यहाँ पे लिख लेंगे ताकि आपको सॉल्व करने में दिक्कत ना आ सके. तो फर्स्ट वन इज अ मास डेंसिटी. इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय रो is equal to mass per unit volume and its unit is kg per meter cube, because the unit of mass is kg and unit of volume is meter cube. The second one is weight density, or we also call it as a specific weight. It is denoted by small w is equal to weight density, that is for capital W, that is weight divided by volume, and we know that unit of weight is Newton divided by volume, that is meter cube. So the weight density unit is Newton per meter cube. After that, third quantity is specific volume, and the formula for specific volume is equal to V is equal to volume divided by mass. We know that mass per unit volume is nothing but rho, that is density. Here we have the inverse, that is V upon m. So specific volume is also written as 1 upon rho. The fourth one is a specific gravity or relative density. It is denoted by capital letter S is equal to density of liquid or any other fluid. So here we will write it as a rho of oil divided by density of pure water, so rho of W. We know that rho of W is nothing but 1000 kg per meter cube, and this quantity is we have to find, or we may in numerical also. By using this quantity we can simply identify or calculate value of specific gravity, that is S, and if we have this quantity then we can easily calculate the quantity, that is density of any oil or fluid. Now the next formula is viscosity. In viscosity we have two different formulas. First one is a dynamic viscosity, and the formula for that is nu is equal to tau divided by du upon dy, and this term is known as velocity gradient, and the unit of dynamic viscosity is Newton second per meter cube. Okay, then the sixth formula, that is kinematic viscosity, is denoted as small v is equal to dynamic viscosity, that is nu. Here the dynamic viscosity is formula nu divided by density, that is rho, and the unit for kinematic viscosity is meter square per second. These 6 formula we need to solve basic problems. Here we have the first problem. The specific gravity of an oil is 0.8. Find its weight density. These types of problem are asked in examination for 2 to 4 marks. First we will write given data, and then the next one is find what we have to find. Okay, the first quantity in given is, we have specific gravity of oil. So S of oil is equal to 0.8, and we need to find the weight density. So here small w, that is weight density question mark. Alright, the formula for weight density, here we have the formula for weight density is equal to weight upon volume. Okay, so weight density W is equal to weight upon volume. बट अब यहाँ पे W एंड V दोनों की भी क्वांटिटी हमारे पास स्टेटमेंट में नहीं है, तो हम इस फॉर्मूला को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, रो इंटू जी. वाई? बिकॉज weight density is equal to W upon V, but W is equal to mass into G, that is gravitational force. So when we put this value here, the equation becomes M into G divided by V, and we know that M divided by V is nothing but rho and G as it is. So we will write this equation W is equal to rho into G. Now we need a rho of oil here, and by using specific gravity we can easily find rho of oil. Here the formula for specific gravity is equal to rho of oil divided by rho of water is equal to 0.8, that is the value of S is equal to rho, this quantity as it is, rho of oil divided by rho of pure water is 1000. Okay, now multiply 1000 multiply by 0.8, so we will get a rho of oil, and it is equal to 800 kg per meter cube. So I will write here rho of oil is equal to 800 kg per meter cube. When we get the value of oil density, the weight density formula is rho of oil multiply by G. Here I will put 800 multiply by 9.81, and the final answer becomes 7648 Newton per meter cube. This is our final answer for weight density. The second problem is the specific volume of certain gas is 0.7 meter cube per kg. Determine its weight density, first quantity, and mass density, this is second quantity. Now in this problem we have to calculate two quantities. Okay, so I will write here the given data and to find. In given data we have only one quantity, that is specific volume, and it is denoted by small v. V is equal to 0.7 meter cube per kg, and what we have to find, that is specific weight, and the specific weight is denoted by small w, and mass density is by rho. These two quantities we have to find out. Okay, now we will solve one by one. First of all, we know that formula for specific volume is equal to volume upon mass, and we write it as 1 upon rho also, because rho is nothing but mass per unit volume, that is inverse of specific volume. Okay, अब हम यहाँ पे v की वैल्यू जो 0.7 है वो पुट कर देंगे, और रो की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी. तो 0.7 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन रो. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, सिंपली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद में रो की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी, रो ऑफ एयर इज इक्वल टू 1.43 and the unit is kg per meter cube. This is our first quantity. Simply you have to cross multiply this quantity, and 1 upon 0.7 is equal to 1.43. Now the second quantity, that is specific weight, and specific weight is denoted as small letter w, which is equal to w upon v, but we don't have w, so we can write this formula as w is equal to rho into g also, and we have here the quantity of rho 1.43 multiplied by 9.81, and the final answer is 14.3, sorry 03, and unit is Newton per meter cube. Okay, this is your second problem. In next video we will see third problem.